If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Nothing Phone 3a, you need to simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then you should be able to open these options, one of which is widgets. So if you go over here, you will find some Nothing widgets, or widgets that are mainly supported by the Nothing phone. So you can add them over here by simply tapping on them, and then you have different widget sizes that you can use. So we can tap again to find the Add Widget button, or you can press and hold and then drag and drop it anywhere. There is also another way, or different widgets as well. So if you swipe to the left to the next page, you will find the list of apps which have widgets. So you can use that as well. So if there is a widget made by the app, then of course you can use it and add it as well. So as you can see, it looks like this. In some cases, we can change the size of the widget too. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.